I'm very excited to open this and show you. This is the moment, the one that you are waiting for. How did I get all of these products from Oliveyoung? I'm gonna tell you how did I get this product for free. I didn't pay any cents for this. The box is wrapped very well. I put just little amount, but it... Oh my god. Hey guys, Floor here. Welcome back here on my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing great because I am. So for today's video, I'm so super excited because I received a package last day from Oliveyoung company. So I decided to make an unboxing video today. If you don't know what is Oliveyoung, Oliveyoung company is the Korea's top 1 bestseller for health and beauty products such as skincare, makeup, cosmetics, and more. So the reason why I did this unboxing video because I'm just very grateful because it's not easy to get collaboration from Oliveyoung, but this is not a collaboration, guys, because the Oliveyoung is not open for ambassador program yet, so they don't have any ambassador program right now. But if you want to know how did I get this package from them, so make sure you watch this video until end because I'm gonna tell you how did I get this product for free. I didn't pay any cents for this package and I'm just so grateful about it. So thank you so much, Oliveyoung, for sending me this package. So this is the package, guys. This is the package that they sent me. It's so big, right? So I'm so super excited and I hope you are too. So without further ado, let's do unboxing. Very excited to open this and show you what we have inside. Oh my god. So this is how it looks like. I like it because it's wrapped so well. So the products inside are very safe. This is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. See what we got here. Wow, look at the box. It's so pretty. Okay, so we have here a beauty box. Catalog. So inside this catalog, you will find about Oliveyoung, history, I think, a global lifestyle platform, and a creator of healthy beauty. They have free shipping for all over US and Japan. Then if you become a VIP member, you will get up to 260 USD and VIP members can save up to 150 USD. So here are your benefits if you become a member of Oliveyoung. You will find here. So this box that I got is the Valentine's Day Makeup Inspiration. So the box that they have sent me is the Valentine's Day Makeup Inspiration box. So you will find here the products inside this box. You'll see. Okay, so let's proceed to our first product. So what we have here is Milk Chalk Sensitive Mascara. So this is how it looks like. Let's open what's inside. Oh, I got 2 of them. This looks so pretty, guys. It's from Giverny or Giverny, how you will pronounce it. Giverny or Giverny, I don't know. Well, from Giverny mascara. Let's see. It's so cute. It's super cute. Look at that, guys. I got 2 of them. Giverny. So let's gonna put it back inside the box. So our first product is the mascara 1+1. So next item we have a Papaya Jam Juicy Lasting Tint. Papaya Jam Juicy Lasting Tint. So this is from the brand Roman, my favorite brand as well. For my favorite brand for lipsticks or lip tint, it's Roman or R-O-M-N-D, Roman. So this is how it looks like, guys. Oh wow, this is pretty. It's a pretty shade. No, this is the shade number 29 Papaya Jam. Oh, I so love the shade, guys. So pretty. Pretty shade. Our next product I've got here, it's written in Korea, so I don't know what is this. But let's see on the catalog. Maybe you will find it here on the catalog. Okay, I find it. It's the Singmol Nara Jeju Sparkling Water Quick Lip and Eye Remover. Makeup remover for lip and eye. So this is to remove heavy eye makeup. Place a cotton pad soak in makeup remover over the eyes for about 10 seconds before wiping away. You can easily remove your makeup using this. So it's a lip and eye makeup remover. Okay, next is a liner from Clio. Makeup eyeliner from Clio. So it's the shade number 2 brown. So look at that, guys. It's so pretty and it's very thin, very small, so cute. Okay. So next we have a Artist Formula Auto Brow Pencil from Color Ground. So shade number 1 ash brown. Shade number 1 ash brown. Oh my god, this is so pretty, guys. Just a second. Okay, there you go. It's from Color Ground Auto Brow Pencil. It's dual. There's a brush for your eyebrows and pencil. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, let's proceed to our next product. We have a set from Spoir. This looks so pretty and elegant. So we have a, what is this? A cushion. It's so cute. It's a cushion, guys. Cushion compact. So it's so cute. This is how it looks like. It's a cushion. So let's see. Wow, it's color lasting. Look at that, guys. It's so pretty. The shade is very pretty. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. It's shiny. Oh my god. I super love how this works on the skin. On my shade. Next, we have this one is a big velvet cover cushion SPF AA++. Full coverage velvet mesh. So let's see what's inside. But this one is put on the sachet. So this is how it looks like. Oh, it's covered. So pretty. So I guess this is a refill for this. So that's why it comes with on a set. Oh, it's so pretty. Bee velvet cushion. So you have to open it like this. I'm wrong. So it comes with a refill. Just in case you finish this one, you can refill it. And it also have a mirror inside. And wow, it's so this is the compact and it comes with a refill. So just in case you will finish the inside of this, you have a refill one. Next we have whitening dress tone up cream from Cosnori. a cream containing niacinamide help to brighten skin up for all skin types. So I love niacinamide ingredients. It's really good for the skin. So let's see. Oh, it's a white cream. It's a tone up cream, guys. Look at that. Oh my god. I put just little amount, but this is awesome. It's so pretty. Look at that, guys. The tone up cream. Look at that, guys. It's shining. It's awesome. Once again, it's from Cosnori brand. First time hearing this brand. Next, we have a What's Your Milk Choc from Giverny. It's cover foundation. It's a foundation sample, I think. That's why it's little. So light 21 light beige, SPF 30 PA++. So it's a Giverny Milk Choc cover foundation, 21 light beige, SPF 30 PA++. Let's see the shade, guys. So I'm gonna put it on the side. It's a foundation. Oh my god. This is absolutely pretty. You know, I just put a little amount. If you see that, guys, I only put a little amount, but it's spread all over a wide area of the skin, guys. So, wow. Look at that, guys. It's glowing. That is why Korean skin, their skin are very flawless and glowing. This is famous in Korea as well. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm just loving the glow effect with this. It's like a gloss skin. So next I have from the Seek. From the Seek, it's a Blooming Your Own Beauty. It's a 9 colors eyeshadow from the Seek. Oh wow. The packaging is very pretty and oh, it's just a box. Not yet. I'm just so super excited. Look at that, guys. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Look at the colors. 9 colors eyeshadow palette from the Seek. So it's the shade number 11 Chocolate Fudge. You can see almost brown colors. How do you call this kind of? So pretty. So I'm gonna make a review of this on my Instagram account. So make sure to follow me on my Instagram account if you want to see how it works. So next product, I have the My Custom Blush from I'm Meme. My Custom Blush from I'm Meme brand. So this is the shade number 1 Mellow Pink. Shade number 1 Mellow Pink. Oh my god, guys. Look at this. It's so pretty. Super love the shade. This. So I felt sad yesterday because my nails got break. I really hate it when my nails break, guys. This is how it looks like. It's blush shade Mellow Pink, number 1 Mellow Pink from I'm Meme. My Custom Blush. It's so pretty, guys. I really love this I'm Meme too. I'm Meme products, they have a lot of great makeup products and super cute. They also have those multi-tone. I have the eyeshadow compact with blush. The last product we have here is the Eyebrush Pro Collection. Filimili Eyebrush Pro Collection. So these are eye brushes. This brand is very new to me. Filimili. First time I heard this brand. So we got here a 5 pieces brushes, and I don't know what is this. Oh, look at that, guys. It comes with a mirror. I think it's the case for the eyeshadow brushes. For these eyeshadow brushes. Oh my god, it's so pretty. We've got 5 pieces of eyeshadow brushes, eye brushes. It comes with a brush case, so where you can put it, you can store your eye brushes. It also comes with a mirror. Amazing, right? It's so pretty. This is really pretty. Wow, it's so pretty. Oh my god. I'm so super happy with all the things that I got here from their Valentine's box. This is the moment, the one that you are waiting for. How did I get all of these products from Oliveyoung? Because they are not open for ambassador program yet. Well, you can get all of this because Oliveyoung Global, they are having a lot of giveaway almost every week. So you should follow their Instagram account at Oliveyoung Global or Oliveyoung Official on Instagram, and don't worry, I will attach the link down on the description box, and you can see and join their giveaway events. Just read the rules or steps on how to join on their giveaway events. So that's it for today's video. And guys, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account at Chin01, on Facebook at Flornicoleta, and TikTok at Flornicoleta. Here on YouTube, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell, like that you will get notified on my future uploads. I hope you like my video for today, and see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.